Hi everybody, this is Dr. Stay. I'm the proud principal of the Mineville campus of Champlain Valley Educational Services, and welcome to the 2021 school year. I am really sorry that we aren't able to do this live. Our open houses are usually quite spectacular, and perhaps in the spring we'll be able to do that and everybody can come together. But for now we're doing it virtually, and I'm happy that we're able to at least have some contact with everybody. This has been a great start to our school year. We're happy to have most of our students with us here on campus. We do have a few remote learners. Everybody is doing super well. The students are doing great with wearing their masks. They're all respecting social distancing, washing their hands, doing really well. I'm so pleased for them. And I know it's a little bit frustrating for parents because there's a lot of regulations around if students aren't feeling well. But we're doing all of this to make sure our students are kept really safe when they're here with us, just as we know you would want. So we have a few new staff members with us this school year. I think you'll find our new speech therapist, Caitlin Diskin, has a page, and we have a new special education teacher, Jennifer Cowling, and we're thrilled to have them with us. Most of the team is returning from last year, super strong team here in Mineville. And we hope to see you live at some point in the spring, perhaps. In the meantime, if you need to talk to me about anything, please feel free to call 942-6691. And Marcy is my assistant, and her extension is 150, and I'd be happy to talk to you. Thank you so much.